Welcome to Nolia's Science Time! Today we're going to be making Play-Doh. I actually chalked my hair with hair chalk. Okay. Today we're going to be making green Play-Doh. The glasses are not mandatory. And here are our ingredients. 3/4 cups of water, some food coloring, a spoon, a half a cup of cornstarch, a cup of baking soda, a whisk, a spatula, a stove, and a pot. Okay.
Glass is not mandatory?
Glass is not mandatory. Now we're going to put some food coloring into the water. 1 or 2 drops should suffice. Okay. Now, we put all of the stuff into the pan. Now I'm going to turn on my burner. We're going to turn it middle 6 and make sure you have parental supervision. Okay, now we're going to whisk this. It's very lumpy. Now we're going to bring it to a boil and we're going to stir it constantly with a rubber spatula. Once it starts boiling, we're going to leave it to 2 to 3 minutes. And if you want right now, you can add more food coloring to make it darker, but I like the shade mine is. You can really feel it starting to thicken. Like I just pulled up a piece and it's actually like gloopy, like glue. It's coming off the edges. Whoa, we made Play-Doh. It's a lot of Play-Doh. Don't stop scraping. Whoa, should I take it off now? It smells like Play-Doh. That was almost all of it. Okay, so now that it's cooling, we're gonna place saran wrap or a bag over it. And I wouldn't touch it if I were you while it cools because it's really, really hot. So, bag. And we'll come back to you when we're playing. Welcome back to Nolia's Science Time. So, before our break, we made Play-Doh. And during our break, I washed my hair and got all the chalk out. So, that is why I'm wearing different clothes and my hair is up, because I just got out. And it's the big reveal. It's pretty nice. It's not as flexible as I had wanted, but Once you mush it, it's more flexible. Feels nice. It also doesn't smell bad. Yeah. You gotta work it up. Because this part is smooth as can be. This part is as rough as can be. And that's how you make homemade Play-Doh.